Here's 1346 Hiatt, H-I-A-T-T, Prehab instructions for the exterior. If we can get rid of this white paint here, that would be fantastic. Another option is we could just go ahead and paint just this section right here white, paint this white, and paint this white right here on both sides. Do the same here. Paint that white, paint that white. I would definitely paint all of this gray. The porch up here, these steps, and even the walkway. I would go ahead and paint that gray on both sides. It'll be difficult to do it on their side. Yeah, this right here, I'd paint that white. I would paint these white on both sides, and probably the middle thing I would paint white. And then I would paint the trim gray. So this trim around the windows, around the door here, again, around that little window, around this window. Do that on both sides. Again, that would be gray. This would all be gray, kind of right here. And you can paint this last little spot here on the edge of the house gray. You can't see it there. If you can get up top here, I would definitely paint this all gray around the windows here. Definitely that'll give it a nice contrast. And if you can get all the way to the top here, I would also do that. I would consider doing the doors, doing it either red or turquoise. It might look really good after you paint all this trim gray. So the white might actually stand out and look really good. So I would just see if it pops. So I want to make this look like the best house on the street and the best house on the MLS search results. That's my goal with these prehabs.